Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be showing you how to spell check in AOL mail account. So the first thing to do is to launch open a web browser to get started. Make sure that you type in mail.aol.com inside the URL box and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once you're inside the main homepage for AOL Mail, click on the settings icon at the top right hand corner. Now click on More Settings from the expanded menu. Go to the left hand side menu and click on Writing Email. Toggle on the switch right next to Check Spelling Before Send, and once you toggle on this menu, you can go back to your inbox. Now in order to check, click on the Compose button at the top left, enter the recipient for your email, type in a subject as well, and then type in your message in the text boxes. Soon after you type in a message, it will now automatically spell check for your message before sending it. It will check your email content for spelling errors before you send it. If you see this kind of a red line under your spelling, simply go ahead and change it to something else. And that is how you will be able to spell check and correct your sentences or message on AOL Mail. So that's how easy it is. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.